premieres ng mga dekalibreng pelikula, successful concerts, at Korean superstar fan meet. It's a new chapter for Media Quest. Dahil today, ni-launch na ang Media Quest Artist Agency o MQAA.
Araw-araw gumagawa tayo, nagpapalabas tayo ng teleserye sa mga plataforma na meron tayo, pero wala tayong sarili nating talents. No, apart from sports, we're very mature already in sports, we're very mature already in news, but in the entertainment space talagang wala. Kasi ang daming lalabas na bagong mga teleserye, maraming lalabas na bagong mga films. You know, we're going to try to vie for the MMFF again, and it would be really, really good kung talents na natin, no, yung nagfu-fuel doon sa mga palabas na yon.
We are supported by the group of many platforms. No? We are into sports, we are into entertainment, we are into a lot of other things, no, as far as media is concerned. So today, I think it's just necessary and the right time for us to...
At ang buena manong star, walang iba, kundi ang dekalibre at award-winning actor na si Cedric Juan. Sa kabila ng kaliwat kanang offers mula sa iba't ibang talent managements, pumirma na nga si Cedric ng kontrata kanina bilang isang kapatid. Kasama sa signing sina Media Quest President and CEO Jane Basas at MQAA Head Jeff Remigio.
Hindi pa ako nakaka-adjust, so overwhelming pa rin siya. Pero syempre nililive ko each time na may nakakarap ako ng mga bago.
Bukod kay Cedric, pumirma na sa batch 1 ng MQAA sina Sam Coloso, singgaling winners Marimar Tua, Carmela Lorzano at ilan pang fresh faces in showbiz. Abangan sila sa mga kapatid projects soon. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.